If you live in Maryland and need to renew your US passport, the process is pretty straightforward if you qualify to do it by mail. This only works for adults, not minors. Kids under 16 need to apply in person for a brand new passport. To renew by mail, all of these must be true for you. You still have your current passport, it's in good condition, it was issued when you were 16 or older, it's less than 15 years old, and it's either in your current name or you have official documents showing your name change. Start by filling out Form DS-82 online from the State Department website, then print and sign it. Get a new passport photo. Many post offices offer photo-only appointments. Next, figure out the renewal fee and gather everything together. Your most recent passport, the completed DS-82, payment and any name change documents. Use a large envelope so you don't have to fold your paperwork. Priority Mail or Priority Mail Express is recommended because they include tracking and come with the right-sized envelopes. Address it to the location listed on page 2 of your DS-82 form. Finally, mail your application using a service with delivery tracking. Priority Mail Express is the fastest, usually 1 to 3 days. That's all there is to it.